Nice fall day. Public hunting starts in a couple weeks. So I figure I'll try to get one more walk in. Nice hike. Perfect weather. It's like low 60s. Well, we're on the Vonder Trail, Beaver Creek State Park. Great day for a hike. This is one of my favorite trails to walk on. You'll see blue blazes along the trail. This marks, in this state park, the blue blazes mark the North Country Trail, which actually runs from Maine to, I believe, Minnesota. And it actually comes through Beaver Creek State Park. This is one of the trail markers I was telling you about for the North Country Trail. A couple places there are actually plaques with the map of the North Country Trail. I know there's one up at the campground. I don't know. I think these are walnuts. Just a few minutes ago, it fell out of that tree, hit down here so loud. Oh, there's another one. They are falling. Really scared me when it hit the ground. It sounded like a gunshot. There's another one coming down. I think I better move out from under here. I'm not wearing a hard hat. This is the horse trail. It goes that way. Vonder, the footpath, goes that way. And naturally, no more would be falling when I start recording. On a little side trail off of the main trail. And it's actually an island, I guess, because the water comes down this side, but the main creek is over there. We follow the creek just about the whole time. We're only about 20 to 30 yards from the creek all the time. You can tell the way all this has been over that we had a pretty good flood here earlier in the year. Been a lot of stuff over. Somebody put in a nice little bridge. If you can tell, we're actually standing on top of the remnants of one of the old locks. Sandy Beaver Canal went through here. It was in operation very long. They have a plaque here talking about it. This one is actually Gray's Lock. See a couple more locks along the way if I walk long enough. There's different trails going to different locks. Let's see if this works. If you're using a handheld and it's not on a gimbal, you're supposed to bend your knees and you walk kind of funny like this, and it's not supposed to be as shaky, which isn't very efficient for hiking, but I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, back to my river walk. What I need is a Osmo Pocket that has a 3-way gimbal on it. I'm using a GoPro Session 6 or Session 5. Rock is covering in an old well. I wish I had a light out here to take a look. Maybe I'll use my phone. I turned my light on my phone. It wasn't good enough to see down in there. I don't know how much to see here. Looks like it only goes down about 5 or 6 feet. Somebody's put some sticks in there. Hiking and biking. A great section of the trail. Actually